Hey guys, and welcome. Tuesday morning, and we're going to look at Bitcoin against the US dollar. Lots of people love to trade crypto. I just did a recent video on Ethereum. I know lots of you saw that, so you might be wondering really what's going on with its big brother, Bitcoin. So let's start off on the monthly. As many of you who follow me quite a lot will know, we need to use all time frames to get the bigger picture of the market, to get the whole story. We want to know the start to the finish of what's going on. So we're going to start on the highest time frame, and we can see right where we fell, okay? And of course, the little bump we had, which came more or less as price just stopped short of this price action level. Now, lots of people would look or did look long there, and we spoke about that a lot. But just remember, guys, you're not always going to pinpoint hit price targets. Most of the time, it's going to be an area. So just remember that if you're trading, you're not always looking to hit pinpricks. You're hitting areas. So that's your monthly, and you had your little bounce up. So we're all aware that the price has fallen so low, negative market sentiment, and we had the bump. Now, what the bump looks like really can be seen on the weekly. And look how thin these candles are. If I zoom right in, hardly anything's going on. Okay, the margin's really tight. And that should say to you, it should scream at you, there's no sentiment here. People aren't interested in it. Okay, so if you zoom even further for an even more in-depth view, look at it again. Does this scream to you that there's strength here and it's flying up? No. And you need to basically be aware that there is a chance, okay, not impossible, that this can just trickle lower and you're going to see it down here. There's lots of people, especially newbie traders, who don't believe in black swans. They think, okay, that's never going to happen. I'm going to sell my house. I'm going to load up. I'm going to trade way too big, and I'm going to get closed out. And you just can't do that. Okay. So if you are going to take it long and you're extremely risk averse, that level is for you if we get there. If we don't get there, it doesn't matter because you can trade something else. Remember, guys, never fall in love with one trade. There's always a numerous sort of series of other things you can trade. Now, thinking on the short term, what basically is happening, you saw all this sort of really minor price action, but it's held up and price is subdued, it comes down. Now, if you're someone who's saying, okay, well, that happened before and I'm going to short, normally that'd be right to do. And if you're going to do that, you need to do it minuscule. Okay, this is a HVA. There's loads of upside because you've fallen so low. Do not massively short it. At any time trading Bitcoin or Ethereum or anything, you cannot afford to do that. Okay, because it's going to take one swiping move and you're going to get ruined. Okay, so if you're trading Bitcoin, you need to scalp trade it really light, and you're going to be doing it within the parameters of this sideways action because you've had it before. Okay, you had it, if I just swap to the daily, you had it all along here. Okay, this has gone sideways for a long time. And a lot of people traded it side to side for months, which you could have, and you would have made money just going in and out, but you need to trade it extremely light, okay? Because one way or the other, it could fly the wrong way. Now, you're seeing minor price action here again. I wouldn't be surprised if we trickle lower. You're risk averse, just hold off until those more extreme lows, okay? If you're someone who's a day trader and getting in and out, you can short to the upside, but you're going to have to do it mega light, okay? And if you're entirely risk averse, don't trade it at all and trade something that is a lot more stable. Okay, there's no point in getting that mindset where you're going to be a millionaire tomorrow with this. Okay, and loading in. Just don't do it because it's a trap, guys, psychologically, and it's a lesson you just have to learn in your trading. If you think this has bottomed out, it can go lower. I'm not saying it absolutely will, but I'm saying it can. And you need to be aware that any asset you're trading can do that. It's no asset is immune to that. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that really helps. I hope it saves some traders. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Check in the description for more.